green. Cool. Baby. Cool. How should we take off it now, guys? How should we take off it, guys? Oh, there. Got it out. Let's see if we. It's so hard. Okay. Come on. Then we have to. Got it out. Awesome job. Time to take off it, guys. Okay. Why is it all sticky? Cool! Look! But it's broken.
Uh-oh. What about the other one?
Let's see the other one. Let's see. This one is not broken. Oh, let's take off the other one, guys. Sparkle. Also, other one is sparkle. This one's this. Got the ring. Other ring. Cool.
You want to put them on?
Later. Cool. Now, how should we take that off? Cool. I also got some rubber bands. Yeah. Got the rubber bands. Cool rubber band. Other rubber bands are so cool. Oops. Let's take it off. Yeah. Let's take it off all this. Cool. Take it off this. There are 3, but we have the last one here. And we have this 2 more left clips. Now, how should we take it out? Okay, let's just try. There you go. And now the other one. Okay. Oops. We did it. Woohoo! I got a clip.
Okay.
Rubber bands. Another rubber bands. And clip. Clip. Same clips, guys. Oh. There you go. And the other clip. And rubber band and ring. Try the rings? Okay, guys. Which ring should we try first?
Okay.
Cool. Cool. Everybody, everyone, choose which grade do you like, guys? This or this or this. Subscribe. Bye, friends. I will see you in the next video.